Hello there, YouTube. This is the Joshio. Well, I come to you today again to talk to you about my best apps that I could ever get from the App Store and from Installer this 4 using Jailbreak, a jailbroken iPod, which is mine. So I have a list. I'm going to put it in the description, but I'm going to show you what they look like really quickly. I'm not going to show you everything about it, but so as you can see, I have a whole bunch of them. I have like Angry Birds, Bowman, TouchGrid, Real Racing 2, Facebook of course, Solitaire, Chess, Checkers, Pinball, like Piano, iBooks, GameStop thing, and what's it called, ESPN. So I have a list that I'm going to write down in the description of these apps that you can get. Some of them you need to have a jailbroken iPod and use Installers 4 to get them. So I will make sure I verify them in the description. But that is it for now. I just want to show you my best Cydia apps, and hopefully you enjoy all of them. So I'll talk to you later, YouTube. Thanks.